everyone. Today, in the frame of Prospects 5.0 project, we are going to ask one of our use cases, TRYGONS from Greece, how they introduce Industry 5.0 practices in their operations, what progress have been made, and what lessons have emerged along the way. Hello, Evagoras. Can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Hello everyone. TRYGONS is a Greek-based composite parts manufacturing company. We are an SME and we are mainly involved in the maritime sector, but we are also involved in automotive.
Okay, great. And about our project Prospects 5.0, what motivation to join this project?
So for us, Prospects 5.0 were more like a natural next step. So it provided a framework uh, to do all these activities to improve, but at the same time keep the human aspect in the center of all our processes and improvement actions.
So like an organic transition from Industry 4.0 to 5.0.
Exactly.
So what we are focusing on. Great. A simple question, but maybe not so simple answer. What Industry 5.0 mean for your company?
So it means to bring, apart from the technological advancements, to also concentrate more on the human aspect, to make a better working environment for our operators as well.
What is being done in the frame of your use case in Prospects 5.0?
In Prospects 5.0, we try as a use case provider to share our experiences in this transformation journey, I would say. We can also benefit from being in contact with other use case providers, avoid some mistakes, so to help new adopters to bring more industries to implement the framework of the principles of Industry 5.0.
Talking about benefits, what benefits, specific benefits, do you see for your company from introduction of this human centricity, sustainability, resiliency, so about Industry 5.0?
As I said, one thing is the improved competitiveness by implementing new technologies, by exchanging ideas and being involved in innovative projects. It also gives us a network with other partners that we can even start new projects, new ideas. And of course, the benefits for our employees, capitalizing all those insights and all those new developments, which makes their everyday life easier.
Great. Benefits are obvious, but what about some challenges or threats you see?
I would say there are two main challenges. One that has to do with resources, not only in terms of funding, because funding is something that, especially through EU funded projects, it's something that it's slightly easier to find sometimes. But for SMEs, I think that time constraints is also a huge challenge because it's easy when you have a running production line. Sometimes it's difficult to experiment with new technologies and to make some time to do that.
Okay, and maybe the last message from you. Can you share some advice with companies who just started this process or haven't been started it but thinking about it, like some inspiration or tips?
So the main tip I would give to someone is to start small, and as you, both employees but also uh, even CEOs of SMEs sometimes, management, uh, as they realize the benefits, then it's easier to go with even more complex projects. And also try to capitalize on all the available knowledge. I mean, Prospects 5.0 already gives a very good framework of how to actually implement Industry 5.0. A lot of lessons learned from already use cases that have been implemented. So there's so much information that can be useful to new adopters, and I think that this is also something really useful and important for them.
Yeah, thank you. Great, a good conclusion. Thank you very much.